Hello everyone, welcome back to Globetech Learning Academy YouTube channel. In today's class, I am going to explain you sheets. Okay, for sheets, I am going to view tab here. In that sheet composition panel is available. In that first option is sheet. Click on sheet. When you click on sheet, the new sheet window will open. Here you can see A1 metric is available. If you want more another sizes for A2, A3, A4, you have one option here, load. Just click on load. That will be automatically jump into your family. So just drop down it. You go through Imperial. Here you have one option as a title blocks. You can see here title blocks folder is available. Click on that. Just select which title box you want or sheet you want, which size of sheet you want. You can choose by here. Okay, after choosing, just give open. That will be loaded into select title box in that field. Okay, next here select placeholder sheets, that means new only. Just click OK. The sheet will be loaded into your drawing window. This is a sheet. Okay, after that, if you want any changes in that sheet, means you can do it by select that sheet, and you have one option here, edit family. Click on that. That will be loaded into family window. Okay, in that you can change. If you want don't want this logo, means you can select and delete it. Or if you want do another you don't want this text and all, you can delete. Or you can type anything, you can do it. It's possible. If you don't want this line, means you can erase that line. Or you can draw anything using create tab you have. Okay, using line, I want line in between this, means you can draw it by yourself. Okay, that's possible. Okay, or else if you want your own layout alignment also, you can do it by yourself. Okay, manually. That's all possible in sheets. You can do any changes by editing the family. Okay, if you want here subdivide on sheets, means you can do it. That's also possible. This is the method to modifying the sheets. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.